we're gonna do a new experiment called Sandwich experiment. The materials we need is a yarn, a spoon and a ruler. We used pencil. So I have spoon and yarn with me. Now I'm going to tie this handle of the spoon to the middle of the stick. I have tied like this. Now I'm going to call my brother. And my mom hitting the spoon with my pencil. Did you hear that? It's vibrating. Sounds nice, right? Do you know how this happened? Sound is simply a vibration that travels through the air through another medium. Hitting the spoon with a ruler makes the spoon vibrate. Those vibrations travel up to sing into your ears. So then, in the brush, it sounds. That's what you hear the sound. Got it? You can use bigger spoon so you will hear huge sounds. Got it? Do you know how the telephone working? This is the same concept. So hopefully you enjoyed this experiment. Keep watching and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.
Wow! It's good.